Hello, hello everyone. Nice view. Oh, what is there? Yoga? Look at this, guys. The sun is gone. The sun is gone. Let's go walking around this lake. Let's go walking around in this lake. Hapon na, guys. Hapon na. Nag-sunset na yung araw. Maganda dito mag-jogging around the lake. May tao pa doon sa taas. Ayan. Maybe there's a duck in here. Ayun, may duck. Look at the duck. Ayun ang duck. Ah, ganda ang duck. Duck. Duck, duck. Duck, 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 duck. Duck, 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 duck. Hello, duck. The tree is still greenish, but it's turning yellowish, pinkish. Yeah, look at this. What is this? Flower? Look at that. Look at this. Sunset. Look at that, guys. Still a lot of people there for sunset. Sunset. There's sunset, guys. Finish the sunset. Naglulutuan pa, guys. Naglulutuan pa. Mailaw naman. Ayan. Oh. Ilaw. Mga boat. Ito mga rental. Boating. Purna wala pa. Oh, maganda sana mag-boat dyan. Boating. I smell good. Wow. I love it. Amoy ihaw, guys. Ay, nakakagutom. Amoy ihaw. Nakakagutom. Ang sarap mag-bike dito, guys. Pero scooter na naman dala ko. Ayan, oh. Scooter naman ang dala ko. Paubos na yung battery. Isang bar na lang natira. May nagja-jogging.
Have you found like an adequate place for you?
May nagja-jogging. Maganda magja-jogging ganito. Hindi masyadong mainit. Tamtaman lang. Ayan ang flower. Ayan ang moon. Oh. Half moon ngayon. Half moon na yun sa taas. Half moon. Dapat pag moon, full moon. Sarap dito siguro magtambay, no? Laking buwan. Pwede bang mag-barbecue. Pang supper. Mag-ihaw-ihaw ng mga isda. Sana makaihaw ako ng isang beses lang before autumn. Hindi pa ako nakapag-ihaw, guys. Busy sa work. Ayan, pato, oh. Nasa likod ng dalawa. Pato. Pato. Yung pato. Diyan po ang CR, yung malaking building. May ilaw po dyan. Yung ang tree. Nagbabago na ang tree. Ang kulay ng tree. Leaves. Ayun, yung tree doon, nag-yellowish na, oh. Yun, doon. Yellowish. Pato! Ayun ang pato ulit, oh. Pato! Nag-aantay ng pagkain. Nag-aantay ng pagkain yung pato. Bye-bye guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye for now. Ano ginagawa mga yun nandun? Nag-yoga. Ay, sa harapan ng building. Nakahiga na sila sa sahig. Ayan o. Yoga siguro. Stretching. Bye-bye po. Thank you. Bye-bye. Salamat for watching. Bye-bye.